All right, let's talk about getting your valet parking under control. If you're tired of the chaos, searching for keys, losing paper tickets, and you're ready for a system that just runs smoothly, then you are in the right place. In this explainer, we're going to build a powerful, super efficient valet parking system right from scratch.
Just for a second, picture the perfect scenario. A customer pulls up, their car is checked in instantly, the right driver gets a notification on their phone, and when that customer is ready to leave, their car shows up in minutes. No yelling, no confusion, no delays. That's the dream, right? A system that just works.
And the best part is, it's totally possible. We're about to walk through the exact blueprint to get this whole thing set up and running seamlessly. So let's get right into it.
Okay, so first things first, we've got to lay the foundation. This is a one-time setup that gets the whole system primed and ready to go. Think of it like programming the brain of your operation before the very first car even arrives.
Now, there are only 2 steps that are absolutely essential to get started. First, you need to create a new custom category, call it Valet, and make sure you toggle yes for the valet parking service. Super important. Second, you got to set your prices. Just head over to stand details to put in the rates for this new valet category. If you don't do these 2 things, the valet features just won't work.
Now, if you want to really power up your operation, there are a few optional features that are honestly game changers. You can create profiles for each of your drivers, which is key for assigning tasks. You can define specific parking lots to keep everything organized, and you can even designate official exit points for a really smooth customer handoff. These steps give you so much more control. Okay, before you go live, one last crucial check. You need to restart the app. Then make sure you're logged in as the manager or admin on your device, and that every single one of your drivers is logged into their own separate device. This is what connects everybody and makes sure all those instant notifications actually work. All right, this setup is done. Now for the fun part, seeing it all in action. Let's walk through that perfect vehicle handoff from the moment a customer arrives to the second their car is safely tucked away. So a car rolls up. Check-in is just 4 simple steps. From your main dashboard, you tap Entry. You punch in the vehicle's number plate. Then you choose our new Valet category and select which driver is taking the car. And here's a really nice touch. You can add the customer's WhatsApp number for notifications. Hit Save, and you're done. And the second you hit Save, bam, this is what your driver sees. An instant notification pops up on their phone telling them exactly which car to park. No more shouting across the driveway or trying to use hand signals, just a clean, clear instruction. And here's where things get really smart. Your driver parks the car and then updates the location right in their app. They can use a super precise geotag or just select the lot number you set up earlier. This completely eliminates that whole, hey, where'd we park that red car problem? Once that's done, the key comes back to the manager, and the system knows exactly where that car is. So the car's parked, it's tracked, but the real test of any valet service is getting that car back to the customer quickly and without any hassle. Let's look at how the checkout process becomes totally seamless. Your customer has 2 incredibly easy ways to ask for their car back. If you give them a paper ticket, they can just scan the QR code with their phone. Or if you entered their number at check-in, they can just tap the link that was sent to their WhatsApp. Either way, it instantly kicks off the checkout process on your end. The second your customer does that, a checkout notification pops right up on the manager's screen. And here's where the system is really flexible. You can see who's free and assign the job to any available driver, not just the one who parked the car in the first place. And for the driver, it's just as straightforward. They get the notification, they accept the job, they grab the correct key from the manager, and they bring the car around to the designated exit point. It's a simple, clear, 3-step mission. So the car's back with the customer. The last step is for your staff to complete the exit in the app. That automatically calculates the final bill. They collect the payment, and the whole transaction is done, all logged perfectly in the system.
And there you have it. We've gone from just a blueprint to a living, breathing, efficient system. Let's just take a quick moment to recap everything you've just put into action.
So what have you really built here? You've got a system with instant notifications for your drivers. You've got geotagged parking spots so nothing gets lost. You've got super simple checkout for your customers. And best of all, you, the manager, have total oversight of a smooth, professional, and controlled workflow. You've literally gone from chaos to control. By setting all of this up, you've basically solved the operational puzzle. Your day-to-day process is now handled, it's streamlined. So the real question is,
With all the time and energy you're about to save, what are you going to focus on next to really grow your business?